Hi guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will get the basic steps to set up and unbox your Govee RGBIC floor lamp. It integrates with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free access. You can manage brightness, set timers, and group lights directly from your smartphone via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Let's start. Unboxing and assembling your Govee RGBIC floor lamp takes just around 20 minutes. It will feature a lamp base, which will be a sturdy and weighted stand. The box will also include metal poles, divided into 3 or 4 interlocking sections, screwdriver, screws, power adapter, and control box. Open the manual, and then assemble the metal posts, from bottom to top as shown. Now, insert the flexible silicone LED rope light into the channel. To set up or connect the Govee floor lamp with your Wi-Fi network, you need to download and install the Govee Home app. You can download it from the App Store or Google Play. After download, you need to register for an account. Here, enter your email address. A 4-digit verification code will be sent to your email. Now, enter the verification code and set a password. Then, confirm your password and tap Sign Up button. Now, plug your Govee floor lamp into the wall outlet by using a power adapter. Make sure that it should turn on and start blinking. Then, connect your phone to Home's Wi-Fi network and turn on your phone's Bluetooth. Open the app, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Now, it will display a list of available devices. Here, you need to search for your specific model number and then tap Add to start pairing. Name your lamp and enter your Wi-Fi details to link it to your network. Wait for around 2 minutes. Your floor lamp will appear on your device list after a notification will confirm a successful connection. If you are facing any trouble or need our assistance to set up, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching.